Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. This is Fantail or Fishtail or Dragontail willow. And it gets its name because you can see here that the branches or the rods are kind of fused together up until a point where they start to spread out. The branches have a very pretty kind of multicolored, goes from yellow in certain spots to a deeper red. This is our first year growing this, so we don't have a lot to look at here, but I can imagine next year this is going to look quite attractive with the green foliage up against that red background. Not all of the branches will have that fused looking effect to it, but even still, it's still very pretty. These leaves are kind of needle shaped and slightly different colors on the top and bottom, so when the wind blows it gives you kind of a different kind of a fluttering effect. This is Fantail, Fishtail, Dragontail willow. Very unique cultivar, and we hope to grow a lot of it next year.